Here, let's go back.
An unboxing of a rear view mirror video dash cam with backup camera. These things are really good, especially in Europe. These are really huge in Europe. I already have one of those mounted on my vehicle. It's one of those things that you mount and forget it. It's there. I like this. It blends in. It goes right over your rear view mirror on your vehicle. You hook it on there. It takes a couple seconds to hook up. I'll show you guys. This is from a company called Umax on Amazon, right here. This has a 4.5 star on Amazon, so you have to check this out. Highly recommend it. Right now it's going for $109, guys. Pretty good price for what it does. We're gonna open this up. We have the rear view dash camera on here. We'll look at it in a while. Depending on what kind of vehicle you have, you can mount this on your back glass or right above your number plate at the back. You have a lot of wire in there. You have your sticky tape and 2 screws, so you can screw it on, or you can stick it this on your vehicle. So this is your power adapter that you're gonna use to plug into your lighter, and you have your 16 gig SD card right there. So guys, here we have it. The Umax rear view mirror video dash cam with backup camera, and I have it, you can see I have it in here, picture in picture, front view, back view right there, and easy to set up, easy. So guys, to hook this up, all you're doing is this rubber right here, bring it up, stretch. You can hook it tight if you want. There's 2 settings on there too. There's 2 areas on here to hook it. I use the first one, and you can see the SD card is on there. Plug in your rear camera right here. Right there you have your USB power area to connect that right here, and this is I think this is the input for if you want to put a DVR or something. So the camera itself, you can see, is at the back here. You can move it around, you can move it left, you can move it around to adjust it to wherever you want it. Right now you make sure you put your mirror where you want it, and then you adjust the camera to center it, bring it up wherever you want, and have it set like this. So right here you have your menu. You can click on that and it brings down your menu. You have all your menu settings right here, your resolution. It tells you what it's recording at. You can see the loop recording, and you use the up and down arrow to move down if you want, and then when you get to the menu setting that you want to change or you want to get at. So for right now, we'll have it set at 5 minutes interval recording. So when you get on there to choose there, you just click OK, and you can see it highlighted in blue, and you can move up or down, and then right now we're going to bring it to 5 and click OK. So you go back here, and then you can click down again and just change a different setting: exposure, song recording, resolution. Here again you have everything. You can format the SD card, your sound, yes or no, TV system, frequency, screensaver. You have all that stuff in there. Sensor, let's click on that, and you can see the sensor right now I have it set at high, so that's pretty good, and you click OK, and basically that's it for here. The wiring, easy to wire, guys. There's 2 wires to run. You have your power cord right here. All I did right behind here, I just push the wires in there. Manufacturer usually leave a little spot up there, and then you just run your wire, just push it inside above the upholstery. You can just gently just push it in, and there we go. So okay guys, so we run the wires until we get to here. When we get to here, we're gonna continue this one going down, but this one we're gonna bring it across. Right here at the edge here, you have a little slit there, so you're just gonna push it in underneath here, down to the area of the door jamb, or the rubber for the door, and we're gonna run it on down here. This one we're gonna continue going down. Go down on the side here, and then bring it across, and we're good to go. I chose to go on top because it takes less than if I pass it down here to go down. So here we go. We just use your finger and just push it in right above. So guys, we're right here. I'm at the back, and that's it. A really nice system. I'm really enjoying it, guys. This is really good to have on your car. It's one of those things that you install and you forget it, and when you want it, it's always recording, it's always looping. And one day when you get into an accident or somebody hit your car in the supermarket, or somebody hit your car while you're driving from the back, this is always recording. This will always be there. This is really cool. This is really cool. Nice big screen, no distortion on the screen. Highly recommended. Check it out. Guys, this is Charlie. Like and subscribe. I will leave all the links for you guys down below in the description. I'm out.